you gon' test the motherfucker, I ain't running. So you gon' test the motherfucker, I ain't running. We stuntin' 7 days a week and twice on Sunday. Yeah, so you gon' test the motherfucker, I ain't running. So you gon' test the motherfucker like I ain't running. We stuntin' 7 days a week and twice on Sunday. Gotta drop the top back, riding vert, you know it's Sunday. On 85 Carolina ride, we do 100. I'm at the track, just kicking back, let bet some hundreds. All that talking out the way, the motor running. When we just stand there, watch the dragon, see it funny. I spend that cash, we showing out like Easter Sunday. Outrageous candy, chocolate guts, the Easter bunny. You hear them turbos on the truck, that diesel running. And I'm stroked out to the max, you see me gunning. And that LSB the ground, you hear me coming. LSB the ground, gave my G-body on the face now. Bro, with 30s on the truck, that bitch feel like a spaceship. Riding 3 be blowing octane and young and change you. Let us see him fuck up the city, you know we take you.
What did I do?
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Will from Carolina Rides. Today I got something real special for y'all. I'm gonna do a little unboxing video. Not sure if y'all familiar, but I'm currently working on the 81 Malibu coupe. It's currently in the paint shop. Should be getting it back in the next couple of weeks. So I'm gonna make sure I take y'all through all the big and little things that are getting done to the car. And so for today, we're gonna do an unboxing video just so I can show you some of the stuff that's gonna be going into my car. And then the next video, you should see me actually installing most of this stuff in the car. This weekend, I plan on getting a lot of work done on it. So, with all that being said, let's get to the first box. I don't even know which one of these to pick. At least you know they had it in here secure. Okay. Well, first thing, this actually isn't it for my Malibu. This right here is for my truck. I don't know if y'all have had the same issue, but I got a Silverado, and for some reason my headlights kept going out. I kept replacing the bulbs. Kept replacing the bulbs one after another. I ordered at least 4 or 5 sets of these bulbs, which is ridiculous. But I took a little bit of time, actually traced the wires down, and saw there was a lot of corrosion in the plug, so I just ordered 2 new ends, which I'll probably go ahead and splice together this weekend and replace those. I'm going to replace both sides. There's no point in replacing one and then the other one starts messing up. Okay, so we got that. Next box. This one wasn't necessarily secured, so let's see what we got here. Alright. So, in this box, got a couple of different things. This looks like it's probably my trunk popper. Yeah, so this is the kit for my trunk popper. So I'm shaving the doors of my car as well as the trunk. Just wanted to do a little something different, something I've never done in none of my other cars. So that's the kit right here. As you can see, it's the assembly kit, everything you need. And that's one of the things that I'm going to definitely get installed this weekend. So when I do that, I'm going to make sure that y'all are right there with me the whole way. Alright. One box there. Got a second box. Let's see what this is. Need to get my handy dandy box cutter. Everyone should have one of these.
Evening.
get one with a blade in it, huh? Oh,
A little longer than a few minutes later.
that didn't work out the way it's supposed to. Luckily, it's easy enough to just do it with my hands. So, got bubble wrap. Don't need that. Another box. Might need a box. Yep, this always comes in handy. Had this since the Boy Scouts. So, when one thing fails, another one will succeed. Alright, so, let's be careful with this one because I don't know what's in this box. And there's tape all around it, so it's on there for a reason. Alright. So, what's in box number 2? Interesting. Okay. So, this is the actual door popper kit for the doors. Let's see, we got the 2 pieces there. There's 2 motors. It's gonna look exactly the same as the one we just had for the trunk, but basically just got one for each door. And last but not least, looks like these are the remotes for it and the brain, which that's exactly what it is. Basically just the keyless entry system for it. I'm not probably going to use this. I am going to probably use the remotes and the wiring, but I'm using a different security system than what was included in this, so we'll probably wire all that in together. Got that. Got your remotes. Got your door poppers. So there's box number 2. Alright. This one's a big box, so let's see what we got here. Learned my lesson a long time ago about cutting down into the boxes, especially when it's something that you may never know. Order so much stuff at one time, could mess around and be fabric or anything. So gotta be careful this time. And what is in box number 3? What do you know? Another box. So, let you know everything is in here secure. It was crazy. Doorbell went off 4 times a day for 4 different packages. UPS came to the house. USPS came to the house. And Amazon came to the house, and FedEx, all in one day. Alright, so this right here, I don't know if y'all are familiar with it, but this is a 2-door power window kit, which I've installed a couple of these. Some of my friends' cars, real easy to use. If you have manual windows, converting power windows. It don't take too long. A little bit of wiring, but it always comes with the wiring in here. But what I will recommend is that you step up a gauge in the wiring, You don't have to. It doesn't say in the instructions to do it, but just from my past experience, I definitely recommend upgrading the wire. Comes with the motors and everything you need for the windows to work. It's a complete kit. I recommend it. I mean, if you want to get your car to the point where you can upgrade, get all the convenience features you can. Like power windows, power locks, things of that nature. You can always purchase it, put it in there yourself, or pay somebody if you don't know how to do it. But this is a do-it-yourself channel, so we're gonna do it ourselves. Last but not least, I have one more box, which I'm not really sure what is in here. But this one's a big one, so I'm gonna stand up for this one. And again, we got boxes, inside the boxes, inside the boxes. So, go ahead and open this and see what this is. So we got 3 small boxes in here. So, this looks like a trunk seal. And then I had to get all new seals for the car. That's definitely essential. You don't want any leaking in the car, so gotta have that. So that's the trunk seal. Let's see what else we got in here. So this kit was actually ordered for a 87 Monte Carlo, which I'm sure y'all are all asking, wondering why would I order an 87 Monte Carlo kit if I have an 81 Malibu. But I'll get to that shortly. So that was that. Okay, so these are the door seals. Already had a hard enough time trying to shut the first box, so I ain't gonna do that on this one. And then, last but not least, this is the one I was waiting on right here. This is gonna be your molded roof rails and stuff, for your T-top kit. So, if y'all didn't know, the reason I did mess around and order this kit for the 87 Monte Carlo, I ordered it because I turned my Malibu into a T-top Malibu.
Damn!
So, I did get a donor top from my homeboy Champ, and I went back and got a second donor top from my homeboy Landau Brown. You can check him out on Facebook. Landau Brown, Chew Ops Classic Parts on Facebook. He'll help you find whatever you're looking for your car and everything like that as well. And I did get the top put in by GM Customs in High Point. Did real good work. Made it look like factory almost. So, looks like we got all our gaskets. Make sure everything's sealed up real good. Oh yeah, we have one more box of gaskets, huh? This is the rest of the T-top seals, so I don't need to open that up. Y'all know what that is. So we got your gasket sets. Got the power window kit. That's gonna come with your switches and everything else as well, so you don't have to fabricate any switches. It comes with a four panel switch as well as 2 individual ones if you don't want to have it like that. So you can just decide how you want to have it in there. We got our door popper kits, and we got our keyless entry system. So seems like it's a pretty good unboxing for the day, and hopefully this weekend the weather holds up and everything like that. We'll get a good video of everything getting installed, or at least getting a good head start on it. So I'll see you then.